You guys are probably gonna say that I'm awful. Well, wait, you came in my lap too fast. They didn't see. All right, let me try again because she just immediately crawled into my lap. Hold on. Let me fix it again and put her back. Okay. All right. Lift you up. Oh God. She can't. She can't move in it. Let me take it off. Hold on. Let me. All right. Stand up. Can you walk in it now, Mama? I unfastened it. Can you stand up? Stand up, baby. All right, there you go. I lifted the reindeer part up. You gonna stand up now, Mama? Or you give up? There you go. So this is what she had. Remember, she in the first video, she kept taking this out of my box, so I gave it to her. All right, let them see how you look in your little outfit now that I unfastened it for you, so you can move. Come on, baby. Lift your head up so you can see. So she obviously cannot stay in here for long periods of time. So let me stop this torture and take it off.